Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play mods on SnowRunner for Xbox One. First, you will need to create a free account on the mod.io website. Once that is done, launch SnowRunner and head to the main menu. Select the mod browser option and log in using your mod.io account details. This links your game to the modding platform, allowing you to access a wide variety of community-created content. Always ensure your game is fully updated for the best experience. Now that your account is linked, it is time to explore. The in-game mod browser offers hundreds of options. You can easily filter and sort through different categories like powerful trucks, challenging maps, or useful trailers. When you find something you like, simply select it and choose to subscribe. The mod will then begin downloading directly to your console. Remember, console mods are pre-approved, so the selection might vary slightly from PC versions. Once a mod has finished downloading, you will need to enable it within the mod browser to use it in your game. Keep in mind that consoles have a memory restriction, often around 4 GB, for active mods. If you encounter a memory warning, try deactivating some unused mods to make space. It is also a good practice to recover any modded trucks to your garage before disabling their associated mods to prevent potential issues. To keep your modded SnowRunner experience smooth, regularly check the mod browser for updates to your subscribed content. If you encounter any issues, a quick fix is often to log out of your mod.io account within the game and then log back in. For overall game stability, especially after updates, consider recovering all your modded trucks to the garage. With these tips, you are all set to enjoy the incredible variety of community-created vehicles and maps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.